So before we start recreating this ad, I want to show you guys something. I already recreated this ad. Look at this. So let's recreate this ad for you guys. First of all, I'm making background. It's going to be 1080 by 1080. Okay, I'm using pitch black because it's a brand color. It's their brand colors, and I'm gonna use this image. This image I take from their websites. So let's adjust the image. I'm not going to use the whole image, but a shorter version. Yeah, setting into the center of the canvas so it align perfectly. Yes. And for the image opacity, I'm using 65. Now we are adding some text. First, for the text, I'm using white color. Make it a little bit bigger. Yes, I think it's perfect. I'm taking copy of this text. Now I'm making it align perfectly. Here. Thinking of like showing this image opacity a little bit so the text will pop out. Now we are writing our offer. For $15, I want this text to pop out and look different from others. So I'm gonna use a different font for this. Yeah, this one is perfect. We are gonna line this text. Now what I want is a CTR button, and let's create a CTR button. This is perfect. Make it a little bit more. For text, I'm gonna use white. For button, as you know, the brand color is black, so I'm gonna use black. Okay. It should match the brand's typography. I'm gonna use a different typography. Perfect. For button, I'm gonna use stroke color, so it will give the shadow effect. Look at this. Make some adjustments. We are we are going to group this. Now we are going to align this. Our offer should be visible so people can really get what's the ad is about. I'm gonna delete this. Let's make a clipping mask so the outside of the objects outside from the canvas go away. For this I'm not using any kind of fill. We align this. Now we make a clipping mask. Now this is just an overview of this ad. Before, this ad looked like this, and now it's much better. You know, guys, I know this is not perfect. I can deliver more best version of this, but to keep this video short and easy, I just wanna show you the results that before we have this, the people are not able to understand what is this ad is about. So in this variant we have the clean look of the ad, and I think so it should be performing very well on Facebook or in all social media platforms. So in our next video we will give some motions to this ad in After Effects. So keep it up, boys.